Nigga's a bitch. Bluffing ass nigga. Take that nigga car.
Oh, he talking, bro, nigga, ain't nobody, he talking that nigga trying to jump a nigga.
Somebody trying to jump. I got the car by myself. Look, y'all. He said we trying to jump him. I got the video, bro. I got the video, though. He can't do that.
Man, time you just want that AC, bro. We not gonna jump you, bro. Run on, man.
That man is
I'll put you,
big.
you got me, let's go. It ain't our fault, man.
Fuck, nigga. All this capping these niggas be doing.
That is dope.
It's marvelous.
Marvelous.
Shit marvelous. Cap ass. I could have took that nigga car. That nigga left his car. Hey, Davey, matter of fact, hey, Davey. This is my cell phone charger now, punk. This is my aux cord. I took his cell phone charger, this aux cord. I'm gonna wear this all day. You ain't listening to no music in there today, nigga. I took your aux and your charger, you bitch ass nigga. That's all you had in there, you broke ass nigga. All he had was an aux and a charger, you bitch ass nigga. No more skits, no more pizza, no more nothing. No more nothing. He's done, son. Baby, they trying to kill me. Open the emergency door. He hit the back, but I didn't even know they had a back door. But
That man is big. So he showed us the whole time.
and he was watching us the whole time, scared ass. Watching us the whole time in the car. Get out the car and broke. Wish I'd have knew he was in it. Should've, man.
I heard his girl when he was at the door.